Good morning, class 11. This is your subject accountancy, chapter number 12, lecture number 1. Beta, in this chapter we shall study about purchase book, sales book, purchase return and sales return. These are called subsidiary books. Okay. So let's start our first numerical with purchase book. It is given on page number 12.31 in your book. First of all, they are asking you to prepare purchase book. So let's start with the format of purchase book. Fine. This is date, particulars, invoice number, ledger folio, details, cost, input CGST, input SGST and total. Fine. So here we will write all the columns. Like first of all, this is purchase book. So date, particulars, invoice number, ledger folio, details, cost, input CGST, input SGST and total column. Fine. Beta, our first transaction is, they are saying on 2017, it is June 5th. Bought goods from Mohan Lal and Company, Kanpur, UP. And this is also the transactions of UP, as we can say that these are the transactions of Messrs. Modern Furniture House, Lucknow. Fine. So, they are asking, first of all, June 5th transaction, Mohan Lal and Company. 20 chairs at the rate of 2000 each. So 20 chairs at the rate of 2000 each become 40,000. So we will write under detail 40,000. Fine. Next one is 5 Godrej tables at the rate of 6,000 each. So it will be 30,000. So we will write under detail column also 30,000. Now we will total it up. It will 70,000. It will be. Now beta, you have to deduct trade discount, that is 20%. So 20% of 70,000 will be 14,000. Now it will be 56,000. Fine. Understood till now? So now we will have to add CGST and SGST both. Here add CGST. How much? 6%. And SGST also 6%. Fine. So it will be 3,360 CGST and same amount of SGST. Fine. It will be beta 62,720. Now we will write all these column like 56,000 cost. Under input CGST we will write 3,360. Under input SGST we will write same amount definitely, and total will be 62,720 as we have already mentioned here. Fine. Now beta, our next transaction is, see, June 10. On June 10 they are saying that they have purchased goods from Bharat Bhushan. Let's see the transaction of June 10. Bharat Bhushan. So they have purchased 5 almirahs at the rate of 12,000 each. So it will be 60,000. This is done, beta. It will be 60,000. Fine. Next, they are saying 2 chairs at the rate of 20,000 each. So it will be 40,000. We will write here. Now total will be 1 lakh. Fine. Total amount is 1 lakh. Now beta, we will deduct trade discount here. 10%. That will be 10,000. Remaining amount is 90,000. What we will have to do now? Now we are going to add CGST and SGST here. CGST how much? 6%. And SGST also 6%. Fine. So CGST here is 5,400 and SGST also 5,400. Fine beta. Now total of this amount is 1,800,000. Now beta, we will define all these columns like under cost column we will write 90,000, CGST and SGST 5,400 and total of the amount is 1,800,000. Understood? Fine. Now let's see next transaction. Next transaction is they are saying June 14 purchase from Surya Traders Lucknow UP. It is also the transaction of UP, so we will have to add CGST and SGST both. Fine. So first of all, Surya Traders, it is the transaction of June 14. So let's begin. First of all, we will have to mention date here, June 14. Fine. Surya Traders Lucknow. You will write Surya Traders here in particulars. Fine. Now they are saying 80 dash at the rate of 2,500 each. Fine. So it will be 2 lakhs. Ten sofa at the rate of 20,000 each. It will be 2 lakhs. We will add. It will be 4 lakhs. Fine. Now what to do? Now beta, we will have to deduct and add trade discount and we will include trade discount as well as CGST and SGST both. So first of all, we will have to deduct trade discount from it minus trade discount, that will be 15%. So that is 15% of it. So it will be 60,000. Fine. So here it will be 3,40,000. We have deducted from it. Now beta, we will have to add CGST and SGST both. CGST 6%, SGST also 6%. Fine. So it will be 20,400, 20,400. Now the amount is 3,80,800. We will write in cost column 3,40,000. We will write in CGST column 20,400. Here 20,400 and total of the column is 3,80,800. Fine. Now we will total all the columns like we have done here. See here. Cost column, input CGST column, input SGST column and total column as well. Let's see. We will have to total it up. It will be 4,86,000. When we will add this CGST column, it will be 29,160. When we will add its next column, it will also be like same because it is CGST, SGST. Fine. And total of all the columns is 5,44,320. Now one more thing, that why we did not include June 20th entry and 25th entry. Beta, first of all, तो June 20th entry that they are saying that it is purchase for cash. So we have to include credit entries in purchase book. That's why we did not include the entry of June 20th. Fine, it is for cash. And now see beta, June 25th entry. It is bought furniture for office use from new furniture house. Fine. They are saying that it is the furniture for office use. Fine. That's why we did not include it in purchase book. Because the item we are included in purchase book is for sale. Fine. We have purchased from anybody else, that is for sale. So here we are using on June 25th, we are purchasing the furniture for office use. That's why we did not include this entry. And on June 20th, we have purchased for cash. That's why we did not include this entry as well. Fine. So we will have to do these numericals like in this way. Let's see second numerical. In second one, in second numerical, they are saying we have to prepare purchase book again. So let's start the solution. First of all, we will have to prepare that all the columns like date, particulars, invoice number, ledger folio, detail, purchase, input CGST, SGST, IGST. Because in it IGST is also included. Fine. CGST, SGST and IGST. And then total column. Fine beta. So first of all we will have to write date. Mention date here. Then particulars. Invoice number, ledger folio, details, purchase, input CGST, input SGST, input IGST also, and then total column. Fine. Input IGST and then total column. So let's see. First of all, it is on May 2nd, purchase from fashion house. What type of item these are dealing? These are dealing in ready-made garments. Fine. And it is the company of Messrs. Ram Narayan and Sons of Kerala. So first of all, date is 2017 May 2nd. That is purchase from fashion house. So we will write here fashion house. Fine. Now Mumbai. It is the transaction of Mumbai. Fine. Beta, they are saying that we have purchased 100 chairs at the rate of 1800 and 75 t-shirts at the rate of 1600 per piece. So 100 chair, that means 1,80,000. That is 75 into 1600, 1,20,000. So total will be 3 lakhs. Understood till now? This total will be 3 lakhs. Fine. Now what we are supposed to do? We have to see trade discount, less trade discount here. That will be 60,000. Now the amount is 2,40,000 is left. Fine. Now add 18% IGST. Fine beta. That will be 4,320 rupees. So the amount is 2,83,200. Now we have to mention all this in all columns, like 2,40,000 purchase amount. CGST, SGST no. IGST, under IGST we will write 4,320, and under total column we will write 2,83,200. Understood till now? Now next one is the entry of May 10. On May 10 they are saying, we will do entry of May 10. They are saying purchase from Apollo Garments Kerala. Apollo Garments Kerala. So first of all, let's see 65 shirts at the rate of 2,000 each and 80 t-shirts at the rate of 1,500 each. Fine. So here it will be 1,30,000 and here it will be 1,20,000. Fine beta. Now total will be 2,50,000. Let's see trade discount. Now we will have to deduct trade discount here. That will be 20%. So 20% of it will be 50,000. Now the total amount is 2 lakhs. Now we will have to see CGST and SGST as well. So here we will add 9% CGST and 9% same SGST. Fine. 18,000, 18,000. Now let me know total of it. That will be 2,36,000. Fine. Total amount we will write 2 lakh here. Here we will write 18,000. Here also we will write 18,000. But IGST no. And here under total column 2,36,000. Fine beta. Now see next transaction is they are saying beta on May 15 purchase from Garden Furniture House Kolkata 12 chairs. So this is the company of garments. So they are doing the business or they are dealing with t-shirts, shirts, clothes, etc. So they are purchasing 12 chairs at the rate of 5,000 per chair. Chairs they are purchasing. So they are here we will not record the chairs. We will have to record the garments. Fine. And next one is on May 25th, we will also not record this entry as it is in purchase from Amitabh Shirts. Definitely it is the clothing dealing, but New Delhi for cash. And here in purchase book, we have to record the transaction, whatever these are going on credit, going in credit. Fine beta. Now we will have to total all the columns like purchases, input CGST, input SGST, IGST and total column as well. Fine. So let's see. Purchases total will be 4,40,000. Input CGST 18,000. Input SGST also 18,000 and IGST 4,320. And here under total column we will write 5,19,200. Fine beta. It will be 5,19,200. So this is the total of all the columns. Now our purchase book is over. So you know, whenever we are going to prepare purchase book, we will have to see full details of it. First of all, we will have to prepare its format. As we have prepared now: date, particulars, ledger, folio, invoice number, detail, purchase, input CGST, SGST, IGST and total as well. Fine. Then we will have to do all the transactions. After recording all the transactions, we will have to do total as well. And we will not record any cash entry or any entry whatever is the business is not dealing. Like it was clothing business, so that's why we will not record the entry of chairs. Understood? So in this way we can do the solution of purchase book. We have to prepare purchases book. Fine. Now your homework is you have to do question number 1 and 2 and practice illustration 1 and 2 given in your book on page number 12.4 and 12.6. Fine.